My Good morning, my fellow Toastmasters. This is Carolina Duarte, our webmaster for the Miramar Bilingual Speakers. So I'm going to give you a small tutorial to get used to this website that is our new website for the club. So first of all, here is the information that every person that comes in have access to. So any regular person that visits our website will have access to this area. But the area that I'm interested in showing to you today is this members only part. So to access this member only part, you just have to go to member login, start typing your name, and as you are already in the system, your name should come up just like mine did right here. So you select your name. If this is your first time going onto this website, all you have to do is click here, authenticate, login, and you will receive an email on the email that you have already on the system. So we go here and we see that we have a new email from our website. So all we have to do, you can read the instructions, but all we have to do is click on the link, and then the password window pops up and we just have to type in the password. Make sure that you follow the rules for the password. It has to be at least 6 characters and it has to have numbers. So make sure that you are following those rules. And after you type in your password, pick a password that is easy for you to remember. Then you set a password and make sure it says saved, and just close this window. The page will reload and you are logged in. So you will have access to this special area that is only for members. But what I wanted to show you here is that you can edit your profile. So right here, this is what is already set by the system, your name and your email address. If you want to change your email address, you can do it here. You can change your name if you like, and also you can see that you can add all the social media links that you have, your Facebook page, Twitter, Google Plus, Meetup, if you do. If you don't, that is not required for you to fill out. And here you have a small section for your bio. Why you join Toastmasters, so you know whatever you like to tell about yourself. Make sure you save after you're done. Make sure it says success information updated, so you know that whatever you typed in is there. And you close the window. Then if you want to see if your profile is public, then you go here, meet our members, and your profile is here. Very easy. So that's it for our setup of the password and the profile on our new website. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'm Carolina Duarte, the webmaster. Thank you.